Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. 7th grade student, today we will do rest of the exercise of chapter number 3. So this is exercise number 6. So exercise number 6 is poser la question or utilisons les mots interrogative, means ask the question using the interrogative words. So we have done in the previous video the interrogative words like como means how, quand means when, uh, uh, combien the, etc. So today we will ask the question. We will learn how to ask a question. So A part, elle a 12 ans, she is 12 years old. I have written the meaning also in brackets, so you can easily understood what is written here. So this is the statement. Elle a 12 ans, she is 12-year-old. If it is a statement, then what should be the question? How old she is? So how to speak how old she is? Elle a quel âge, how old she is. Now B part, parce qu'elle est malade, because she is sick. So this is a statement. So the question should be pourquoi elle va chez la médecin? Why she is going to the doctor? Because she is sick. Elle préfère la grande voiture. She prefers the big car. Elle préfère quoi? Quoi means what? Now D part. Il vient à 7 heures. He comes at 7 o'clock. Il vient à quelle heure? Quelle heure, when you put quelle, so it become question. Je rentre avec ma sœur. I go home with my sister. Tu rentres avec quoi? Qui means who. Il y a 2 stylos dans ma trousse. There are 2 pens in my pencil case. Il y a combien de stylos? Combien de means how many. Now G part. Elle aime les fleurs. She loves flowers. Elle aime quoi? Quoi means what? Je viens de Delhi. I am from Delhi. Tu viens où? O means where? Comment ça va? Merci. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. So the question should be comment ça va? This you know already. Whenever someone asks from you comment ça va, this is the reply, ça va bien, merci. Now elle va à l'université. She is going to college. Elle va au means where. She is going where? C'est mon cousin. This is my cousin. Qui est? Who is this? Ce sont des animaux. These are the animals. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Yeah, what are these? So this is your 6th exercise. Now your 8th exercise. This is your 8th exercise. Trouver la question. Find the question. Same like 6, concept is same. Here are some statements given, and according to the statements you have to put the question. So first is ce sont des professeurs. These are the professors. So the answer should be qui est? Who are these? Yeah, who are they? Now B part. Elle s'appelle Pierre. So the question should be what is her name? C part. C'est un refrigerator. So the question should be what is this? Then we will speak this is a refrigerator. D part. C'est notre institut. This is our teacher. E part. No, ce sont des cahiers. No, these are the notebooks. F. C. J'apprends le français. Yes, I am learning French. G. Oui, ils partent à 9 heures. Yes, they leave at 9 o'clock. H. C. Ils aiment les fruits. Yes, they like the fruits. I. Il est 6 heures du soir. It is 6 o'clock at evening. J. Je vais bien, merci, et vous? So these are the statements, and you have to put the question, and you please write down the question on the book here only. Draw a line with the pencil and write down the answer here only. So I am sharing answer with you. These are the answers of exercise number 8. These are the answers. Qui est, who are these? Como elle s'appelle, what is her name? Qu'est-ce que c'est, what is this? Qui est c'est, who is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Est-ce que ce sont des livres? Is there are the books? Tu n'apprends pas le français. Are you not learning French? Il porte a faire, question mark should be here. Put the question mark. Il n'aime pas les fruits. He doesn't like the fruits. Quelle heure est-il? What is the timing? Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. So these are the answer of 8th exercise. Pause your video here and do this exercise. Now 10th exercise. This is your 10th exercise on your page number 55. So they are saying that you have to tell according to the example. So example is here. Louis. Louis means him. For him we use he, and you know very well what is he in French? Il. So this sentence we will start from il. Now verb. Verb, which verb is it is? It is vouloir verb. Vouloir verb. So for vouloir verb, please go to the page number 46 and learn this vouloir verb. Vouloir means to want or to wish. So with je we use this, with tu ve, il elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, il elle veulent. So learn this, then you can able to do the 10th exercise. So here are the like this toi, with toi we use tu, we use il, elle we use elle, this elle we use elle, with nous, with moi we use je, and with Louis we use il. So you got the subjects now. Now according to the subject, put the vouloir verb. How to do this exercise? This is like this. I told you this tu. Then with tu we use vous. Now same. The remaining part will be same as the from you have to take from the sentence, from the question. Il you, because witheux you always put il. So with il we use this and remaining will be same. I have write down the meaning also. With elle you use this vouloir verb. With else you use this vouloir verb. With nous voulons. So these are the answer of the 10th exercise. So pause your video here and do the 10th exercise. I have written the meaning also in the bracket. So student, do your exercise number 6, 8 and 10. 7 we have done already, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we have done. So only 9th is left. 9th we will not do because it is very lengthy and no use. So 9th we will not do. So from your main book, this book, the 3rd chapter is completed. So in the next video we will start your 2nd book. You know you have 2 book of French, so we will also cover the 2nd book exercises. So complete your chapter number 3 till now. Okay student, au revoir, bye bye, à bientôt, see you soon.